Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get the code for the stash house in GTA 5. Begin by pausing the game and marking the stash house location on your map, then approach quietly to avoid alarms. Scan nearby security cameras and interrogate any NPCs for hints. Collect any papers, receipts, or devices found inside and outside the property, and cross-reference numbers to build possible code combinations patiently and methodically. Start by sweeping the area slowly and methodically to avoid missing small clues or numbers. Focus on CCTV monitors, desktops, and printed receipts that often hide part of the code. Note every digit you find, then test combinations that match common patterns like birthdays or license plates. Use stealth to prevent alarms and reload from a safe save if you trigger guards, then refine your approach until you unlock the stash house door. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tips with you. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with compact sound and simple voice control and pairs nicely with game setups for quick timers or music while you hunt codes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When testing codes, work efficiently by starting with the most likely sequences and avoiding random guessing. Use any partial numbers you found to limit possibilities and apply elimination to shorten testing rounds. Always create a manual save before trying multiple attempts so you can revert if alarms trigger or NPCs react. Keep calm and document which combos you tried to avoid repeating attempts and to speed up finding the correct stash house code.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.